inside the Niger Delta.
Success in life is universally attributed to hard work and diligence. In the case of Mr. Tamnabe Deble Gold, a veteran musician born some 74 years ago in Buguma, traditional headquarters of Kalabari Kingdom in Rivers State, it took over 7 decades for the fruit of hard work to manifest in his life, as correspondent Lovely Ofigo reports.
Today, and this particular moment, Belema Oil Limited, Jack Rich Foundation, Aid Foundation, and the JV that bring us together today are formally presenting these keys to this building to you. We want you to use it to the glory of this kingdom.
The ancient Buguma town, headquarters of Asaritori local government area of Rivers State, went agog recently as friends, family and well-wishers of Tamunemi Gold gathered to celebrate the official dedication of a brand new fully furnished 5-bedroom duplex with an inbuilt rehearsal studio built by engineer Jack Rich Tain Jr., founder and president of Belema Oil Producing Limited. Tamunemi Gold is the only surviving member of the late legendary Kalabari-born musician Rex Lawson. After Rex Lawson passed on, Mr. Gold continued to write and perform songs locally but had a hard time fending for his family. The 74-year-old beneficiary expressed gratitude and was full of praises for engineer Jack Rich.
Yes, this is where I reside. I came in here since 2010, October 20. I feel very happy. I feel rest. I have rest of mind in me. This is something like we see in the dreamland. In the dream, sometimes you dream you are very rich, but when you wake up, nothing is on you. so it happens to me. As if I'm seeing this in that house there. I'm seeing it as a dreamland, but it's real. So I am always praying to God. If I would stay 100 years, 10 to stay 110. If I'm going to stay 120, 10 should stay 140.
God should bless our big brother that did this for us. That should replenish him gloriously. Whatsoever he lays his hand on shall be blessed and prosperous. And he should protect his children, protect him. He's going out and he's coming in, will bless forevermore.
Mr. Gold caught the attention of engineer Jack Rich in March 2019 when he composed a soulful Kalabari tune in support of the then incumbent governor of Rivers State, Governor Nyesom Wike, on social media. The Kalabari-born oil magnate, despite having a kinsman contesting in the same election, took interest in the song and the composer and requested the Jack Rich Tain Foundation to build him a 5-bedroom duplex with an inbuilt rehearsal studio.
The founder and owner of Belema Oil heard it and he immediately called on me and traced the owner, the producer of this music, that I should look for him. And eventually we found him, and he said immediately I should find out what to do for him. We find out that this man has no home that he can call his own, and immediately mandated that I should start something immediately. And under 7 to 8 months, we're able to complete this building.
Today happens to be one of the greatest days for entertainers in Rivers State, in Niger Delta, because we have not seen such an empowerment before. We say a very big thank you to Belema Jack Rich Tain Jr. We say thank you so much, and God continue to bless you.
The 5-bedroom duplex named Tamunemi Gold Music House is an empowerment initiative of the Belema Oil JV in collaboration with Jack Rich Tain Foundation and Belema Oil Aid Foundation. Present at the event marking its dedication were notable chiefs and royal fathers in Kalabari Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta.